Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is April the 2nd, 2020. Here to give you all this update in XRP and to see if this is the moment that this cryptocurrency is going to break out. It's been about a couple of days, 3 days since we did our last video in XRP, and we definitely need to talk to see if XRP is about to break this 17, 18 cent restriction area of it trying to move higher. Thank you all for watching our video on today. If you guys appreciate our videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Join us on the other social media platforms, i.e. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, even on our own website, HueFinancial.com. All of those links will be in the description of this video, so take the opportunity out to join us on those other media platforms. So now, here we are today, going to answer the question whether or not this is the moment for XRP to break out to the upside. Let's talk about what occurred in the market since our last video on the 29th. And you guys can tell that we expected the market in XRP to see lower price, but not that much. You know, we understood that the market in XRP was following this ascension line, and in fact, it has been following it perfectly. The 29th, the market in XRP came and touched it. We opened the next day touching that ascension line, and then just yesterday the market in XRP still touched that ascension line. All of that is instilling that XRP is still viable to see higher price. We played our forecast on the 29th on the 2-hour time frame. So when I zoom out, you guys can see right here's where the market in XRP came and touched that ascension area. So at best you could have bagged 5 3/4% profit. Simple. We saw that coming. And then once again yesterday, the market in XRP came and touched that ascension line once again. So this line is intact. This market in XRP is still following that projection. So 5.74% bagged in the pocket, done, over with. Let's go ahead and get rid of it. And now we need to talk about whether or not XRP will have enough momentum to break above 18 cents, because that's the next objective, is to see it break above 18 cents to the upside. So when you look at XRP on a daily time frame, a lot of volume came in yesterday, and based off the market action the previous days, the market in XRP is still anticipated to see some higher price. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend out this ascending line there, and the decision for XRP to continue to move higher is about to be made. Okay, so we're going to hold that line there. We're going to extend both those lines because they are still active in the premise of where XRP is trying to go. All right, so the only concern that this market in XRP couldn't accomplish is its inability to break 18 cents. That's the only thing, and that can literally keep XRP from seeing higher price. So keep that in mind as we do this forecast for XRP. Looking at XRP on the 4-hour chart, you guys can tell where all that volume came in. It was right here on this particular 4-hour price bar. And did the market react negatively to it? Not at all. But in fact, we're still trying to vie for higher price. So yeah, I'm still going to expect the market in XRP to see higher price. My only concern is just 18 cents. So obviously you would take a minor TP in the market for XRP on that notion alone, because we know that the market is weak there. So let's go ahead and place a forecast in the market for XRP to continue to see some higher price. I want to play this on the daily time frame though, okay? So yeah, we'll TP the market at 18 cents for XRP. And simply that would be a very small profit, but we understand that we need to take profit at that location because that is resistance or restriction. So that'll be 1.67% profit into the market, okay? But overall, that's the only thing. Everything else is looking I don't want to say bullish, but it's looking amped up to see higher price in XRP. The only thing that's in his way is 18 cents. So keep that in mind once again. So we're going to look for the market in XRP to see some higher price. I would expect to see some weakness come in since we are trading at that restriction level of 18 cents. So yeah, we can dip, we can see lower price, but as long as we really stay above this ascension line or even 17 cents, I'm cool with that. All right, so this is it. Questions, comments, let me know. I'm done.